When it comes to efficient workspace solutions, portability matters. Best portable workbenches provide sturdy surfaces, easy setup, and versatile functionality for any job. Compact, durable, and designed for convenience, these workbenches transform any area into a productive work zone. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Worx Pegasus Workbench. The Worx Pegasus Workbench is a versatile, portable solution designed to make any workspace more functional and flexible. Built with high-quality plastic, it combines portability with strength, making it easy to carry, store, and set up wherever it's needed. The fold-and-go design allows the Pegasus to pop open in seconds, fold down compactly for storage, and even be carried comfortably under one arm, which is ideal for jobs that require mobility. Its 2-in-1 functionality allows it to transform from a workbench into a sawhorse effortlessly, giving users the ability to handle a wide range of projects from woodworking to gardening. One of the standout features of the Pegasus is its impressive load capacity. As a workbench, it supports up to 300 pounds, and as a sawhorse, it can hold a massive 1,000 pounds, allowing for heavy-duty tasks without compromising stability. For larger projects, the workbench is easily expandable by connecting it to other work support tables, such as the sidekick or clamping sawhorse, ensuring seamless integration for bigger jobs. Number 2. Pony Folding Workbench. The Pony Folding Workbench is a highly adaptable and sturdy portable work table that brings both convenience and performance to your workspace. Designed as a 2-in-1 work table and sawhorse, it allows seamless transitions between different tasks, making it perfect for diverse projects in garages, gardens, or on lawns. Its clever design incorporates quick clamps and holding pegs, providing a solid platform that supports up to 500 pounds as a workbench and up to 1,000 pounds when used as a sawhorse. This impressive capacity makes it suitable for heavy-duty tasks such as woodworking, cutting, or holding large materials. The folding workbench also features 6 adjustable height settings ranging from 30 to 35 inches, allowing you to work comfortably at various levels depending on the project. With its aluminum leg frame, it combines lightweight portability with superior strength, giving it a lasting durability advantage over other portable workbenches. Number 3. Keter Folding Workbench. The Keter Folding Workbench is a lightweight yet robust portable work solution that delivers instant workspace flexibility. Requiring no assembly, it opens in just 30 seconds, making it ideal for DIY projects, home renovations, or on-site work where time and convenience are essential. Its large work surface can handle up to 1,000 pounds, providing ample support for heavy-duty materials and tools, while the 12-inch clamps can be installed both horizontally and vertically to secure items with precision. Constructed from weather-resistant polypropylene and heavy-duty resin with aluminum legs, this workbench offers long-lasting durability, resisting rust, dents, and peeling for reliable performance indoors or outdoors. Its versatile design accommodates a variety of tasks, from woodworking to miter saw applications, and its foldable system ensures easy storage and transport. Number 4. TLGREEN Multifunctional Workbench. The TLGREEN Multifunctional Workbench is a highly innovative and versatile tool designed for users seeking maximum functionality in minimal space. Its unique one-tool, 7-jobs design transforms it into a workbench, sawhorse, scaffold, platform, car creeper, dolly, or hand truck, replacing multiple tools with a single portable solution. This all-in-one functionality is paired with impressive load capacities, up to 440 pounds as a scaffold or platform, and 330 pounds for other applications, ensuring it can handle heavy-duty tasks reliably. Zero assembly is required, and it folds and unfolds in under 30 seconds, making setup fast and storage simple. Its compact size and built-in carry handle allow users to transport it with ease, while the practical feature-rich top includes a detachable tool tray for screws and small parts and pre-drilled clamp holes for secure material handling. The workbench also offers adjustable height settings, providing 31.5 inches for bench work and 20.5 inches for low-level tasks like painting or scaffold use, ensuring ergonomic comfort across different activities. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Portable Workbench. The BLACK+DECKER Portable Workbench, also known as the iconic Workmate Project Center, is a classic folding work table designed for versatility and durability. Its heavy-gauge steel frame and laminated bamboo worktop provide rugged stability, supporting up to 550 pounds, making it suitable for carpentry, woodworking, automotive tasks, and various DIY projects. The workbench features adjustable jaws, vertical clamping, and 4 swivel pegs, allowing it to hold irregularly shaped materials securely, which enhances its functionality for complex tasks. Setup is simple and quick, folding open or closed in seconds, making storage and portability effortless. This workbench combines traditional design with practical engineering, delivering a dependable platform for a wide range of tasks. Its compact foldable design allows easy transport and storage, making it ideal for workshops, garages, and even outdoor projects. Thank you for exploring our guide today. We hope this information helps you make the best choice and brings clarity to your decision. Remember to consider your needs carefully, compare options, and enjoy the process. Stay informed, stay prepared, and make every choice count.